I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Jomso gown unboxing. This is a highly requested video. You guys have been asking me to unbox a gown. So this is the first time I'm trying gown. Let's see how it is. So before that, guys, if you're watching me for the first time and if you like what you watch, please do consider subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload a video, you get a notification of it. So okay, without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. This is how Jomso does its packaging. So this is the product I ordered. This time they sent it in a Ziploc bag, so I'm really impressed. And let's open this up. This is the model picture which was shown in the website. So let's compare. This is the beautiful gown, guys. This is how it looks. It comes in this black Bangalore silk fabric, and they've given embroidery all throughout the bust area. Like there's no place you can't see black fabric, and the embroidery is in like maroonish red color and golden. So the design or the embroidery is very good. The finishing is very nice. On the other hand, you will not see any threads hanging here and there. And this is the sleeve part. So again, they've given this beautiful embroidery design. The length of the sleeve is also very big. So this is how it is going to look. And to the extreme end, they've given this lace detailing, which does not look like a very high quality lace, but still it's fine because the embroidery is so beautiful that nobody is going to look at this lace. Anyways, let's see the bust part. So this is the bust part, and near the waist they've again given this lace patti, and then this is the design. The design is very beautiful, guys. The embroidery is very well made, and this is the bottom. This is the bottom design. बहुत ही अच्छा है. I really liked how it looks. Very grand, very grand. And again, they've given the same patti. And on the other side, if you see the finishing here, guys, really good. They've given bidding as well so that no threads come off. And the inner lining, which is santoon fabric, again a very soft fabric, so you'll not feel any stitching or any thread itching or pricking your body. So it's nice. The length of this, and guys, this is going to fit someone up to 42 to 44 inches of bust size. It's very huge. And the length of this, if you're someone who is like 5.7 or 5.8, this is going to be perfect on you. In case if you're shorter, you can get it altered. Now coming to the back of the gown, the design is exactly same. So this is the design, exactly same like how the front is. So this is it. And coming to comparison, guys, if you see the picture on the website shown and what I received, it's not exactly same. They have given high neck in the picture, but here it's round neck, and there's like a patti over here near the collar area, and in this it's like an embroidery. So there's like 70% of the design is like the picture and 30% is their own creation. So now coming to the rating, guys, I would like to rate it 4 out of 5 because everything is really good. Now if I don't see the picture shown in the website and I have to rate it, I would like to rate it 5 out of 5, but because I've seen the picture and that's what I wanted to order, I would like to deduct to 1, so I'm going to give this 4 out of 5. The original price was 5,690 rupees and the discounted price is just 2,690, which I think is okay price for this because it's a beautiful gown. You can wear it for any very grand reception or any weddings. So that's it, guys. And now if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in the description box. And if you're new to my channel and if you don't know about Jomso, then let me tell you guys, Jomso sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear starting from kurta, gowns, saris, lehengas, whatnot. And purchasing or placing an order is very easy. You can either go to their www.jomso.com, or you can WhatsApp them, and they do have cash on delivery option. They do have worldwide shipping for an extra shipping charge. And in case if you didn't like a product, or if you receive a defective product, you need not worry, you can return it. What you'll have to do is within 7 days you'll have to mail them, and they are going to arrange for a return. So that's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.